Each time Alison and her team and Veronica spoke to us or spoke to me, there was incredible understanding of what we were trying to accomplish. It's the same with the diversity of the artists, I think, where we spoke about how we really wanted to be a school that spoke to and included everyone. So if you think about even the way it comes out in the ways we talk about the school, the you belong here, there is something in the composition of the set of artists that have contributed to the school that help us deliver that message.
And also the symbiotic relationship between business and art, because they're not separate, right? And I think that a lot of times people think that they are, but they're not.
I love hearing you say that, because I think I myself am an MBA graduate as well, and I think...
Which helps so much. So you can't imagine the level of she gets it that you have, and it's
she
so
gets
rare.
a lot.
Yeah.
But I think that
sure.
it's I think what we all are living in a world without boundaries. And so this idea that instead of thinking about things as siloed and maybe individually, let's say fields of expertise staying in their lane, I think the real question is, what can we learn from each other and what exciting sparks are generated when those fields collide? So when you think about artists and the creative problem solving that they do, and many are research driven in their practice, they are looking deeply into questions that concern them. And those could be questions of the environment. They could be questions of, in the case of the artist Beverly Pepper, she's interested in big pharma. You know, how is the pharmaceutical industry affecting our culture and our public health? These are questions that aren't just purely aesthetics. And I think that what I hope putting art into spaces can do is really open up those fields of inquiry for unexpected exploration. We don't have to predefine that response, or at least if we're thinking about those in terms that are ultimately practical. Of course, if you're, the rubber hits the road in real world applications, but it can help open up questions that I hope will drive our culture forward. And I have so much faith in the students that Peter and the team bring to Rice and to Houston, and hope that they'll take inspiration out as they go into the world to solve these problems.